Deleted everything, but your Mac still shows storage full. It's because your Mac's storage is lying to you. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Editors. In today's video, I will show you how to uncover what's filling your Mac's drive and safely free a few gigabytes of space back on your Mac. First, let's find out what's really filling up your Mac's storage. Click on Apple icon at the left side top corner, get to System Settings. Under General, on right click on Storage. In this window at the very top, you see a bar that shows the distribution of data storage. On the bar, if you move the cursor on a specific color, that's going to show you the amount of storage that is being used by a specific type of files. This is the first step where you understand where the most part of the Mac drive has been used. At the very top, we see Applications. If I click on I, from this list, you can just go ahead and look for any unusual app. Click on this button, Delete, on right side. Same way, you can check all these remaining directories, including bin, documents. In the same window at the very bottom, you will notice an option, System Data. This is the main culprit. It is not some photos or files which are essential for you to keep on your device. It is a hidden pile of cache, app leftovers, system logs, and time machine snapshots. Think of it as a reclaimable clutter. In the next few steps, I will demonstrate the safe steps we can follow on any Mac to clear up most of that buildup which is not necessary for your Mac at all. But remember, you cannot remove all this system data, and there is no direct option available to delete all that buildup. So we have to carefully go through step-by-step process to remove as much as we can. Click on Finder in the dock. At the left side top corner in the menu, click on Go. In this menu, click on Go to Folder. And here, we're going to type a path directly to the cache. So type here tilde. I believe this symbol called tilde. It is available right below the Escape button at the left side top corner of your keyboard. / library / cache. You can hit it twice. This window has all cache, and we need to remove it all from here. You can select it by pressing Command A together on the keyboard, then make a right click anywhere and click on Move to Bin. Now again, click on Go to Folder. Now type / library / caches. Press the return key. Command A to select them all, make a right click, click on Move to Bin, and most probably you're going to verify your Mac administrator password before you delete them. If you see some of these folders is still not going away from this directory, don't worry about them. They are still in use, so don't force them. Click on Go again, go to Folder, and now type / library / updates. Return key, files. First of all, enable the list view from the top. In this directory, if you see any files or folders which are not related to the most recent OS or which are not recent, you can select them and you can delete them. In many cases, especially on older Macs, only these couple of steps will save you about 2 to 3 gigabytes of space back on Mac drive. For next step, let's clean logs. Click on Go to Folder, type tilde / library / logs. Return key. Make sure they are in the list view so that you can have a better visibility of every file. Sort them by date modified by tapping on this tab over here, and delete only files ending with .gz, .1, .old, or .archive. You can pause this video, take your time, and read down here what you see, what files you are supposed to delete. Now click on again Go to Folder, and type in here /var /logs in this directory too, and leave everything from the current day. And apart from that, if you see anything that ends in .gz, .1, .old, or .archive, you can simply go ahead and trash them. Another important directory on your Mac is downloads, where you download all sort of files from the internet through your email. Click on this folder here in the Finder, on left, downloads, and further in the downloads, look for anything that you see is not essential to stay in the downloads folder, and accordingly you can make a right click and move them to bin. On left, you will probably find the option desktop. Click on it and review everything you have on your desktop. And if you find anything, especially something that ends with .zip, .mov, with that kind of extensions, you should go ahead and again make a right click and move to bin. Same way you can also look for documents in the same on left. As overall instructions we have followed so far in this video can easily gain you about 5 gigabytes to 10 gigabytes of space back again. It is always smarter to use an external solid-state drive. You can always connect your drive to your Mac and offload some of the unused big files. For reference, I will attach some links in the description. You can check out some of those SSDs which are really good with your Mac. Once you are in the storage section, scroll it down till the bottom and check the status of system data. If you still see system data is still using a lot of space on the drive, leave your Mac alone for about 20 minutes. Don't use it, just leave it the way it is. It is going to do a self-optimization in the background and will delete maybe some of those files automatically. If you're already using an upgraded version of iCloud like iCloud Plus, then you should have enough space available on the cloud drive. In the same window where you see this storage, you can first of all click on these two options, store in iCloud, and you can simply click on this store in iCloud. This will allow you to save all your messages in iCloud and only allow to save some recent attachments on the Mac. Also, you can click on the second option in the same space, optimize storage. You can click on optimize, click on optimize. Once enabled, this will automatically remove all the TV shows or movies that you already watched and gain some space back on your Mac. Now, click on Finder and on left, look for iCloud Drive. Under iCloud's Drive, you will see 3 types of tiny placeholders. A circle with an arrow pointing down means the file or the folder is downloaded and it stays on your Mac drive. You can make a right click on such folder or file and uncheck this box, keep downloaded. However, if you want your Mac to actually do all this by its own, then here's what we're going to do. Click on System Settings. In the left side top corner where you see your username, click on it. On right in the next window, click on iCloud. In the next window, click on Drive and ensure this option is enabled to optimize Mac storage. Now, your Mac is going to offload automatically all the big files as soon as you stop using them. Now let's talk about Mail app. It is the silent storage hog. Each time you open an email, you download an attachment, they're locally stored on the Mac drive. Over the time, they start grabbing significant amount of space on the Mac drive. Click on Mail app. At the left side top corner in the menu bar, click on Mail. Get to Settings. In the next window, click on Accounts. In this window, on left, you're going to see your accounts, one or multiple. Each account you have to select one by one. And then on right, you need to ensure this option, download attachment, it should be selected as recent. It is going to optimize and clean up old attachments automatically and save some space on the drive. Now let's clean the junk that builds up with the apps and the browsers. Every web page, thumbnail, software update, they leave cached files sitting on the drive. For Safari, click on Safari in the dock. Get to Safari, the left side top corner. Click on Settings. Go to Advanced. In this window at the very bottom, you need to check this box, Show Features for Web Developers. As soon as you enable that, a new feature is integrated in the menu bar, that's Develop. Click on it and navigate to Empty Caches. Click on it. Sometimes after cleaning up your Mac, the numbers don't update right away. And that's because the Spotlight, the system indexer, has not caught up yet. And here's how to refresh it. Click on System Settings. On left, navigate to Spotlight. On right, scroll it down till the bottom. Click on Search Privacy. And here, where you see this plus symbol, click on it. In the next window at the top, click on this folder option. And from this menu, you need to check Macintosh HD. And just click on Choose. And click OK. Done. Now, click on Search Privacy again. Select Macintosh HD. And now remove it from here. And that's it. This tiny step allows macOS to rebuild its index. And after you're done waiting, come back to the system settings, click on General, and get to Storage. Now check the storage bar status. And I'm hoping after going through all these 5 steps, you should be able to gain back approximately 5 to 10 gigabytes again. And that's it. 5 quick no-code fixes that really gains space back on your Mac drive. Comment below which step cleared the most space for you. And if you want your Mac running smooth every day, then watch this video. Anyways, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe Crazy Editors for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Thank you for watching. Until next time, you take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one.